You guys excited?
Look at these, sir.
Do I have that on?
This is actually, believe it or not, the...
Do I have this on? Is the red light?
Yeah,
okay.
red light means on.
Can't see anything in this glare.
Can I do it?
Huh?
Hold this.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is actually a sister locomotive to one of the locomotives at Strasbourg.
Did you see the babies?
Look. Look. So you're blocking my way. And so is him. Oh.
Sure you don't want me to do it?
I'll do it. There, now we...
When's the last train that departs the location? 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this little one here. Yeah, and this one.
Wow, look at that. Just a little.
Wow, look at it. From all the pictures he shows me,
Yeah.
reality.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, we're in the right spot. This one? All right, let's walk this way.